to our lecture and my fellow classmates. Today we are from group 2 to present our journal review entitled From Farm to Fork, Fungal and Bacterial Contamination and their Diagnosis in Production Step of Ready-to-Eat Salads. This journal discusses the microbial contamination risk in ready-to-eat salad production and how Haccp principles are applied to ensure food safety throughout the production chain. Firstly, the ready-to-eat salad, also known as RTE salad, refers to fresh vegetables that have already been washed, processed, and packed before being sold to consumer. The product can be eaten directly without cooking or reheating. Nowadays, the demand for ready-to-eat salad is increasing rapidly because of many consumers prefer healthy, fresh, and convenient food product. Besides that, modern lifestyle also encourage consumers to choose food that are quick and easy to prepare. However, despite being a healthy ready-to-eat salad are considered high-risk food product because of they are consumed raw. Unlike food, there is no heat treatment to destroy harmful microorganisms before consumption. Because of this contamination can happen at many stages, starting from farming activities, harvesting, transportation, packaging, storage, and distribution. Some common microorganisms associated with ready-to-eat salads are E. coli, Salmonella, and Listeria monocytogenes. These microorganisms can cause foodborne illness such as diarrhea, vomiting, fever, and stomach pain. In serious case, contamination may also lead to outbreaks that affect many consumers. Therefore, a proper food safety system is very crucial in ready-to-eat salad production. One of the most effective systems used in the food industry is Haccp, which is the standard for hazard analysis and critical control point. Haccp helps identify hazard, control contamination risk, and ensure the product is safe to consumer. And we move to the objective of this article review or journal review. First thing first, to identify biological, chemical, and physical hazard to ready-to-eat salad production. Second, to determine the critical control point, also known as CCPs, throughout the production process. And lastly, to explain Haccp implementation from Principle 1 until Principle 7 to maintaining food safety and product quality.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Muaz bin Muhammad Rafiq. My student number is 2025-484-384. So today I would like to explain about our company profile. For this case study, we use a salad processing company called Fresh Green Salad Sdn Berhad. This company produce packaged ready-to-eat salads for supermarkets, restaurant, and convenience store. The company focus on producing fresh and safe vegetable product for consumer. To maintain product quality and safety, the company practice several food safety system such as Haccp, Good Manufacturing Practice or GMP, and food hygiene monitoring. Besides that, the company also emphasize worker hygiene, sanitation, and proper cleaning procedures during production. The factory is equipped with cold storage facilities, sanitizing system, and hygienic packaging areas to reduce contamination risk. Workers are also trained regularly on food hygiene practice and personal cleanliness before entering processing areas. This is important because workers can also become a source of contamination if hygiene practices are not properly followed. Okay, next, in this slide, I would like to present about our product description. The product discussed in this presentation is ready-to-eat meat salads. The ingredients include lettuce, spinach, rocket leaf, and red cabbage. These vegetables are selected because they are commonly used in commercial salad products. During processing, the vegetables go through several stages, including washing, cutting, drying, and packaging. The final products are packed inside sealed plastic packaging under hygienic conditions. The salads must be stored below 8 degrees Celsius to maintain freshness and slow down bacterial growth. Consumers are also advised to consume the product before the expiry date that is stated on the packaging. Since the salads are consumed directly without cooking, microbiological safety becomes extremely important. Even small contamination can affect consumer health because there are no additional cooking steps to destroy the microorganism. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Aminish bin Zamzuri and my ID number is 2025241156. So the next slide we're going to talk about the process flow diagram. This slide shows the process flow diagram for ready-to-eat salad production. The process starts from receiving raw materials until the product are distributed to consumer. Each step must be controlled carefully to minimize contamination risk. So the next slide, we will talk about the receiving raw materials and the cold storage. The first step is receiving raw materials from farm. At this stage, the vegetables are inspected carefully to ensure they meet quality and safety requirements. Workers check for spoilage, physical damage, dirt, and sign of contamination. Only fresh and acceptable vegetables are allowed for processing. After inspection, the vegetables are transferred into cold storage room. Cold storage room is important because low temperature helps slow down microbial growth and maintain freshness. If vegetables are stored at unsuitable temperature, microorganisms can multiply quickly and affect product safety. So next we go to the slide number 8, which is sorting, cutting, and washing. The next process is sorting and cutting. The damaged or spoiled leaves are removed manually by workers. Then the vegetables will cut into suitable sizes depending on product specification. After cutting, the vegetables go through washing and sanitizing process. This is considered one of the most important stages in salad production. Clean water and disinfectants are used to reduce microorganisms, dirt, and pesticide residues on the vegetables. If the washing process is not properly controlled, contamination may remain on the product. Thank you.
My name is Nazimira Izati Jasmi. My matric number 2025236032.
Next is process continuation and hazard analysis. The first one is drying, packaging, and distribution. After washing, the vegetables are dried using a drying system or centrifuge machine. This step is very important to reduce excess moisture because moisture can encourage microbial growth. After drying, the salad are packed into sealed plastic packaging under hygienic conditions. Packaging areas must always be clean to prevent cross-contamination. Finally, the packaged salad are stored at cold temperature and distributed to supermarket and restaurant using refrigerator transportation. Okay, next is hazard analysis.
Haccp principle 1 is hazard analysis. Hazard analysis is carried out to identify possible contamination risks throughout the production process. There are three main types of hazard involved in ready-to-eat salad production. The first one is biological hazard, second one is chemical hazard, and the last one is physical hazard. Each hazard can affect product safety and consumer health if not properly controlled. Next is biological hazard. The first type is biological hazard. For example, E. coli, Salmonella, Listeria, monocytogenes, fungi, and yeast. This microorganism may contaminate vegetable through soil, irrigation water, workers, equipment, or dirty processing environment. Biological contamination is one of the most serious hazards because it can cause food poisoning and reduce shelf life. Therefore, proper washing, sanitizing, and also temperature control are necessary to reduce microbial contamination. The second type is chemical hazard. Example include pesticide residue from farming activities, excess disinfectant used during washing, and contamination from cleaning chemicals. If chemical residues exceed safe limit, they may affect consumer health and cause toxicity problems. Therefore, proper chemical handling and monitoring are very important. The third type is physical hazard. Example include stone, metal fragment, plastic pieces, and broken packaging materials. This foreign object may accidentally enter the product during harvesting, processing, or packaging. Physical contamination may injure consumers and reduce product quality. To prevent this problem, equipment inspection and proper handling procedure must always be carried out. Haccp principle is determining critical control point. CCPs are stages where control is necessary to prevent or reduce hazard to safe level. The first CCP is the washing process because it helps reduce microorganisms on vegetable. The second CCP is cold storage because suitable temperature help control bacterial growth. The third CCP is packaging because hygienic packaging can prevent cross-contamination before distribution.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nashahira binti Azizan. My matrix number is 2025422124. So today I will explain about Haccp principle 3 until 7. The first one is Haccp principle 3, which is establishing critical limits. Critical limits are safety boundaries that must be followed during processing. For example, including maintaining storage temperature below 8 degrees Celsius, using clean washing water, and ensuring acceptable microbial limit. Okay, next is Haccp Principle 4, which is monitoring. The company continuously monitors several important aspects such as storage temperature, water quality, worker hygiene, and cleaning procedures. Monitoring also helps ensure all processes remain under control and comply with food safety standards. Okay, for this slide, I will explain about Haccp Principle 5 and 6. The first one is Haccp Principle 5, which is corrective action. If contamination or non-compliance occurs, corrective actions will be taken immediately. For example, the first one is contaminated products will be discarded. The second one is machines will be sanitized again. And the last one is storage temperatures will be adjusted. Okay, for the next, Haccp Principle C is verification.
Verification activities included Haccp audits, laboratory testing, and reviewing records to ensure the Haccp system functions effectively. Lastly, Haccp Principle 7 is documentation. The company keeps important records such as temperature logs, cleaning records, microbiological test report, and staff training records. These records are important for monitoring, verification, and audit purpose. In conclusion, ready-to-eat salads have a high contamination risk because they are consumed raw without cooking. Therefore, Haccp implementation is very important to ensure food safety and maintaining product quality. Proper hygiene practices, temperature control, monitoring system, and modern detection technologies can help reduce contamination risk effectively. By applying Haccp principles correctly, the food industry can provide safer products for consumers. That's all from our group presentation. Thank you for listening.